3, 2, 1, go! What's up, guys? Phil here for Moms in Foxboro at day one of our spring open house. We're here with Henry and Eric. Now, both of these guys have expressed interest in going to Supercross tomorrow. Well, we reached out to Triumph and they were kind enough to give us 2 free tickets. So, to settle who's going to get to go, we're going to do a little contest between Henry and Eric. So, real quick, Henry, what would going to Supercross mean to you?
Seeing the dirt bikes go around on the jumps and stuff.
Excellent, excellent. And for you, Eric, what would it mean? I know you have small children. I know you love racing.
Do.
What would it mean to you?
Just that sweet smell of race gas is all that I need, and it would mean a lot to me.
Excellent. So there's only one way to settle this. We're here at the spring open house. These guys are going to go grab a bike right here and stand behind it. We're going to have a little contest. Maybe it's a knowledge contest. Maybe it's skills. So choose your bike wisely. Go. All right, perfect. So, Eric, what bike did you choose for the challenge?
I chose the Rocket 3R Storm.
Hot bike. And Henry, what about you?
This is the Triumph Tiger 900 Rally Pro.
Ooh, you didn't sound confident when you said that.
Excellent. We'll be right back with the contest. All right, guys, so the rules of the challenge are simple. We are doing a slow bike race. We've got a set of cones right here, another set of cones behind us over there. Basically, last one to cross the finish line wins. If you put your foot down, you lose. Are you guys ready?
Yeah, ready.
We're gonna go best out of 3.
Okay.
Ready? 3, 2, 1, go! All right, Eric, you lost the first round. Woo! Now it's time for round number 2. Back to the start line. Henry just quipped that Eric may have chosen the wrong bike for this event. Well, the twist is that for round 2, we're gonna switch bikes. So, kickstands down. And 3, 2, 1, go! All right, so we are 1-1 going into the last round. All right, it's time for the tiebreaker round. Henry, are you ready?
I'm ready.
Are you excited for Supercross?
Definitely.
Eric, are you ready?
I am.
Are you excited for Supercross?
I am, but I don't think this bike is.
All right, let's go. Again, shout out to Triumph for the tickets. We're gonna start in 3, 2, 1, go. And with that, Eric is out. Henry, our champion, is doing a victory lap.
I didn't know this was
Henry, congratulations. Here are your 2 free tickets to Supercross tomorrow, April 5th at Gillette Stadium. Any last words?
Thank you, Triumph, for giving us these tickets. Real excited. Hopefully we put on a little bit of a show for the people here. Thanks, Eric, for being a worthy competitor.
Awesome. And we've got some fun activities here at Mom's Foxboro for the Spring Open House. Come on down.